How to create a SoundCloud account. Creating or signing up a SoundCloud account is quite easy and simple. Launch Play Store app on your device. First, you have to install and download SoundCloud Play Music and Sounds app on your device. You can easily get on your Play Store or App Store when you search for it. Now tap on the Open button. You will reach on this welcome screen when you tap on Open. Here, tap Create an Account button. A new website will open where you can easily sign in or create an account on SoundCloud application. You can continue with Facebook, Google or Apple ID as well in order to create account on SoundCloud. But for now, let's continue with email. So enter the email address and once you enter it, tap on the continue button. Now on the section, you have to choose a password that must be minimum 8 characters. With the help of the I button next to it, you can easily recheck the password. And once done, tap on the continue button, which is underneath that. Now, on the section, you have to enter your display name, age, and the gender. Once you have entered all the details, you will get access to the other pages where you have to follow all the on-screen prompts. And after that, you can easily create a SoundCloud account. So that's it. That's how we easily create a SoundCloud account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.